Welcome back to the Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services channel where financial literacy meets empowerment. Today, we're diving into the world of traditional IRAs for 2025. Whether you're just beginning your retirement journey or seeking ways to enhance your tax savings, this video is designed to equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. So, what exactly is a traditional IRA? A traditional insuficiencia renal aguda, or individual retirement account, is a personal retirement savings account that allows you to contribute earned income like wages or self-employment income, and potentially benefit from a tax deduction. The beauty of this account lies in its tax-deferred growth. You won't pay taxes on your investments until you withdraw the funds during retirement. Now, let's talk about the contribution limits for 2025. If you're under age 50, you can contribute up to $7,000. If you're 50 or older, you have the opportunity to make a $1,000 catch-up contribution, bringing your total to $8,000. For those aged 62, 63, you may qualify for a super catch-up, allowing contributions of up to $10,000. This is a fantastic way to boost your retirement savings as you approach retirement age. Who can contribute to a traditional IRA? The answer is anyone with earned income, which includes wages, salary, tips, or self-employment income. However, passive income, such as dividends or rental income, does not qualify. If you're married and your spouse has little or no income, they can still contribute through a spousal IRA if you're filing jointly. When it comes to tax deductions for 2025, your ability to deduct contributions will depend on your income and whether you or your spouse are covered by a workplace retirement plan. It's essential to understand these rules to maximize your tax benefits. Don't forget, you have until April 15th, 2026, to make contributions for the 2025 tax year. This gives you some time to strategize and ensure you're making the most of your retirement savings. A few important notes to keep in mind. Withdrawals made before age 59 and a half may incur a 10% penalty, and required minimum distributions (RMDs) will begin at age 73. Also, remember that you can't contribute more than your earned income for the year. If you need assistance planning your retirement strategy, the team at Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services is here to help. Give us a call at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com for expert support tailored to your needs. If this video has helped you understand traditional IRAs for 2025, we'd love for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this information with your community. Financial empowerment starts with knowledge, and we're dedicated to providing you with the tools you need to succeed. Thank you for joining us today.